Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some seafood lasagna, so let's get started. First, I'll be working on cooking the lasagna noodles, and you can follow the instruction on your package for that as well. Next, I'll be working on my sauce, and here I have some butter, and I'll be sauteing some garlic. Next, I'm going to add half and half and then season with black pepper. And I'm just going to bring that almost to a boil and then add parmesan cheese to it. Once that's done, just go ahead and set it aside. It will eventually thicken after a while. Now it's time to prepare the seafood. Here I am sauteing some garlic, and I'm just going to cook the scallops and shrimp. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. So that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add the lobster and season with Cajun seasoning. Next, I'm adding spinach, and then I'll be adding the sauce that I made earlier and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to assemble our lasagna, and here I have the lasagna noodles at the bottom, which I already greased my pan, by the way. And then I'll be adding the spinach and seafood mixture, then cover with mozzarella cheese, then continue to layer. Once you finish assembling the lasagna, go ahead and place it in the oven, and you're going to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. So once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. Take care.